Hello, this is Janet with Radiant Realty. Thank you so much for joining me today. I thought it would be fun to bring you along our Whitefish Mountain ski trip today and just show you a bit of the Hellfire run. So come along and I'll show you my point of view. And as we begin, if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay a while. Don't be shy. I love reading your comments and answering any questions you have. And if you are looking to buy or sell a home or property here in Montana, definitely reach out. I would be happy to help you. You want to pick up speed at the beginning of this run because it does get pretty slow here along this section, but it does have beautiful views. Snowboarders struggle with this run a lot. Hellfire is a run from Chair 1 at the summit, not to be confused with Hell Roaring, which is off of Chair 2. This is the fun part of this run. A lot of rolling hills, so you can really pick up speed and you can even pop off some of them if that's what you like to do. They recently added this chairlift. We used to continue on down a bit further, but this chairlift will drop us off just after the start of Big Ravine. So you can continue on down Big Ravine to Chair 1, or you can take 10,000 turns if you want a black run, and there are a few other options as well. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that tour. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos drop, and I will see you all next week.